Yo guys, good morning. What's up? I literally got up like a few minutes ago, to start my day with you guys. I'm gonna be recording videos like all day because today there's nothing to do for me. So I'm gonna record YouTube videos, a bunches of them. You guys seem to like my videos, so I'm gonna keep on recording. I drove a tractor in here last night. I didn't record anything last night. Because today, I drove it in here to keep it in here all night. And, I drove it in here for a reason, to cut down trees. And I've been walking around for 20 minutes, and I don't see my tractor anywhere. Because today I was gonna record us, cutting some logs, but I don't seem to find my tractor. I'll show you guys my tractor if I can find it. I don't see it. I didn't go all the way down in the woods. I'm not sure where Rookie... God damn it. My God. I'm not sure where me and Rookie set the tractor at. Does this have thorns? Some of these things have thorns and I hate it. It's in here somewhere. I don't know. Okay. Spiders everywhere. Why does it have to be spiders? I'm scared of spiders and snakes and Slender Man. Oh, remember that video of Slender Man? He could be in here anywhere. He could be... What the heck? What the heck was that? Yo guys, I'm not having luck finding my tractor at all. I can't seem to find my tractor at all. Comment down below where you think it is. I think it got stolen. Oh, and hun, if you're watching this, I do have a tractor. It's just I lost it. I don't even know where the frick it is. God dang it. God dang it, you freaking thing. Just kick that. Also, I saw a little kid in here the other day. He threw a whole freaking truck. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm right here. Mom's in their bedroom. Sorry guys, my sister was freaking out because she couldn't find Mom. I saw Mom in her bedroom earlier. Poor sis. Comment down below and I'll read the comments to her, and comment down below to her. There's nothing to be afraid of. Comment down below, because she's always scared. Even when she sleeps, she thinks Slender Man's real. Guys, comment down below, okay? Please. just for my sister. Or at least slap the like button and subscribe just for my sister, please. Because she's going through some hard times right now. So, if you guys would do that, thank you. But today's my day that's full of vlogs. It's one of them busy days I'm full of making videos. What great videos for you guys. And I'm happy to do it. I mean, okay, I'm lost. I'm lost. Okay, here's a spider web. I went through here earlier. Yes. No, I didn't. This is another way around. Are you freaking? Oh no, wait, there's a crick. Oh my god. Here's a crick down there. There's a crick down there. Guys, do you see that? Guys, is that sounds like a snake. There's a rattlesnake right underneath that log right there. I'm not going near that thing. That's an Atkins trash can. I saw that thing up by somebody's house the other day. By our next door neighbor had that trash can. He had 2 of them. He said he went next door to me. And he said, "Did you see my other trash can?" Somebody move that. Because there's no way strong winds could move that thing that far. That's like 40 feet from this guy's house that it came from. Sorry, guys. Well, I can't find my tractor, so this video. This video is a freaking sucking video. No, I'm joking. I love to make great videos for you guys. I don't know if you guys saw. The heat got to my head yesterday, and me doing a freaking how to take care of your scooter. It kind of got out of hands, and I just wanted to trash something. Oh, guys, do you know right where I put the scooter right after the video? It's in the garbage can. Look, if you don't believe me, it's right there. I threw my scooter in the freaking garbage can. What the heck? Because I was so mad at it, it hit me right in the knee, or right in the ankle. Man, those things hurt when it comes to being ankle. Hey, guys. Comment down below what the heck this is. Oh, it's a wrench. Never mind, don't comment down below. It's just a fully rusty wrench. I just threw it in the woods. I would like to know where my tractor went. But I'm not so positive. Ooh, I smell like coffee. It smells like coffee in the morning. Oh, we forgot to let out the chicken. Sorry guys, we gotta let out the chickens. Alright guys, here we go. There they are. Ow! Freaks! Ooh, morning eggs. Good morning eggs. Ow! Can you guys see any eggs over there? No. Eggs over there? No. I don't think there is. Hang on, guys. There you go. Those are 3 eggs we found this morning. Dadgummit, a freaking groundhog got in my mom's, flowers again. Or in my garden again. The family farm garden. Dadgummit. Oh, and, I would like to make a shout out to Space Life Gardener. Buddy, I'm sorry, I feel bad for you, dude. I didn't know there's gonna be, if there's another frost thing, if there's another, frost in, I'm sorry about it, dude. I could have told you if I knew. That means you're not in Ohio, because we never did have frost yesterday, because it was 80 degrees here, so that means you're not in Ohio. That means you're somewhere else in the U.S., if you're in the U.S. Get the heck out of here. Stupid wouldn't-be. So, guys, subscribe, slap that bell, turn on notifications, subscribe. Bye, guys.